And you had some throwdown. You were sort of throwing some harsh words around. It seemed like some shade at Bob Iger and some praise at Mr. Chapek on Twitter this morning.
Yeah, well, look, I just think that $71 billion acquisition of Fox, of the part that Murdoch was able to fool him on, is still lingering and is not talked about enough by the analysts who seem to are into the free pass business. Because what you really need to see is consistent cash flow, return of the dividend, and get away from the notion that what we want to talk about is pricing Disney Plus and whether India is taking or not taking something low price. And maybe we can get that, because I think that the theme parks, you contrast that with, say, Six Flags today. The theme parks are an excellent story, but they weren't able to write down. I mean, I wonder, really, Andrew, maybe they should have written down, say, $35 billion, but it's all integrated. But it's a shame, because if they took the hit, then you'd see how what really hurt this company, and it wasn't.
But I'm trying to understand. Are you arguing against the Fox acquisition? Is that what you're saying? You think that was a mistake?
Oh, I'm saying it was one of the worst acquisitions I've ever seen. Not a mistake. I just think it was just, they just got had. It's okay.
Let me ask you a question, though.
You just get had.
If you think about that, though, because then you wouldn't have the control of Hulu. I don't know how much value you think that is within the sort of dynamic at play here. And you wouldn't have all that content, which may ultimately get merged into a Disney Plus longer term, no?
Well, it's possible, but when you pay too much for something and it impacts your balance sheet to the point that this did, then you get lost in the weeds of pricing of Disney Plus instead of just celebrating the fact that the company came through COVID very well. I think it was an ill-advised acquisition. They paid too much. I do believe that they would like to take the charge, but they can't because it's too integrated. I understand about Hulu, and they have to pay for the other part of Hulu to the parent company of our network, and I think it would really hurt their balance sheet. So what I want to do is get away from the notion that Chapek has done a bad job, which seems to be the perception of a lot of people, and accept that he got a really bad hand and he's trying to augment it.
When you think about
what I did was just commit heresy. But
I don't know if you saw
I'm a little on the fearless side.
I don't know if you saw Tom Rogers earlier. I'd asked him if you could own Netflix, Disney, parent company, this company, Comcast, or this network, Comcast, and who was the fourth we were missing there? He said he would actually own Warner Discovery. He said he would own Netflix. Didn't even catch a breath before he said it. What about you?
I've been to Netflix theme parks. They're empty, and there's very few things that they offer.
Fair enough.
Think about that. Right?
They're
very easy to get into, the magic Netflix kingdom. But, I actually want to get back to the notion that Disney is an entertainment company that has theme parks, instead of this incredible diversion of we worry about ESPN subs, now we worry about Disney Plus. I think you have to focus on what's better at Disney than Netflix and realize that Disney is actually iconic. Maybe that happens beginning at 11:30 today. I like Bob Iger very much. It doesn't mean I like an acquisition that he made.